Hi, I'm Gary Malik, and in this video I'm going to talk to you about Category 5 wiring. May not look like much more than a regular Ethernet or network cable, or everyone has their names for it. But basically what this is a wire here, and inside the wire there are 4 pairs of highly balanced and shielded cables that maintain a very good signal to noise ratio. And then they're capped by an RJ45 connector here. And then they plug into your, your network cable card in the back of your computer, and then to your cable modem or router, and it carries data very fastly. It's the standard cable for 100 megabyte per second networks. It's been used since the mid-90s. It's been the standard. Now in gigabyte networks, there's Category 6 wiring that is out now. But basically, this is what's running through the walls of all the offices you see, and it's everywhere, and it's been around for some time. So, Category 5 wiring, twisted pairs of wire, runs your network, fast speeds. That's about all there is to know.